Tower of Power is the ideal tool for teams who want to set their sights higher. It inspires your groups with a challenge where cooperation and excellent communication are the keys to success. The objective is to use the wooden blocks to build the highest and most stable tower possible. It's not allowed to shorten the strings, and the blocks can only be moved with the crane. If the group doesn't coordinate their actions or communicate properly, feedback is immediate. But when everyone works as a team, they get the job done. Clear communication and mutual encouragement are very important here. Tower of Power is also suitable for working with content. For example, the team can look at the theme of values. The team builds a so-called values house, with the fundamental values of the group forming the ground floor. Building a house is much easier because the construction reacts less sensitively if mistakes are made. Tower of Power demonstrates how important it is to communicate and cooperate effectively. It's ideal for team development and leadership training. For project management, the blocks represent the modules of a project. That way, it's possible to simulate strategic planning or working under pressure. In communication training, for example, it becomes clear what role coordination by a facilitator plays, how the integration of various perspectives works. Tower of Power can also be used in many other areas. And if you plan to do content work, you're completely free to design the phrases on the blocks. By detaching individual strings, you can adapt Tower of Power to group sizes from 6 to 24 people. The XXL version is suited to up to 34 delegates.